Jimmie Johnson, give him the trophy. Give him the championship. It's over. He's won a race in the chase. Came out of Loudon, 25th. Didn't look very good up there. Actually looked very good up there until he got caught up in 2 or 3 crashes and finished 25th. Here, Dover, won. Solid win over Jeff Burton. Jeff looked good. Jimmy was just too tough. A.J. Allmendinger. Hey, look at A.J. About put 43 in the winner's circle again. That would have been a good story. The surprise of the day. The other surprise? Well, the other 2 surprises were there were no surprises to speak of. Nothing happened. After all the pre-race drama and hoopla and everything about Kevin Harvick versus Denny Hamlin versus Clint Bowyer and Childress versus the Gibbs guys, nothing happened. A couple of chintzy caution flags for debris out there, and that's about it. A couple of guys scraped the wall, blew a tire. Nothing much happened, except Jimmie Johnson. But Joey Logano looked good, too. Carl Edwards finished 5th, but the rest of the title challengers, Clint Bowyer, miserable afternoon. 3 laps down, never in the hunt, nothing going on. NASCAR took his car back to the R&D Center for another round of checks. I guess when you're in their doghouse, you're really in their doghouse. MikeMullen.net knows that. Kevin Harvick, never a player today. Tony Stewart, bad luck. Matt Kenseth, more bad luck. Tried to make a pit stop, a real late pit stop, slammed on the brakes, blew our left front tire, brought out the caution, didn't make the pit stop, lost a couple of laps on that, and his teammate was already making a pit stop under green, Greg Biffle, so he got 2 laps down too. 4 guys. And the championship chase, hey, their hopes are about gone right now. The Biff, he just about gave it up. Matt, Tony, Kevin's okay. Clint's out of it, got an appeal on Wednesday. We'll see how that goes. You know how those NASCAR appeal boards go. Those guys do a good job, I know. But when NASCAR says you're guilty, it's sort of like when the cop says, hey, 37 and a 25, I'm sorry, buddy. You're going to have to pay a penalty. A.J. Allmendinger looked really good. I wonder why they didn't take his car down to the R&D Center to check that thing out. FR9 engine, and Doug Yates was watching that very closely. Looked strong to me, especially in the corners. Good, strong, stout motor. I was hoping Carl Edwards would do a little bit more. He had a shot. He was leading with 35 miles to go. Then the last round of pit stops under green, and he just didn't quite have enough. Jimmie Johnson going away. Joey Logano looking really strong. Denny Hamlin, a 9th, and he was just glad to get out of here. He can breathe a little easier. It's a terrible track. He knows that. He said he's talked about that for a couple of weeks now. He just wanted to get through Loudon and get through Dover and get through Kansas City next week, and then he figures he's Fat City. We'll see. Mike Mullen, Sunday night, Dover, Jimmie Johnson.